Okay, class, we'll continue with the last part of this lecture from chapter 3, selection. So, the last part that we're going to cover on uh, some combined conditions, the conditional expressions. Okay, so conditional expression. You might want to assign a value to a variable that is restricted by certain conditions. For example, this following statement assigns 1 to y, so y equal to 1. If x is greater than 0, then n negative 1. Okay, to y if x is less than or equal to 0. So this paragraph actually written in code. Can you see? Y equal to 1, x is greater than 0, correct? Okay, x less than or equal 0. They don't have to mention here else statement. Okay, y is negative 1. Or else, okay, alternatively, you can use conditional expressions to achieve the same result. Okay, the same part you actually can write as this one. Okay, y equal to 1 if x equal to x greater than 0, else negative 1. Okay, so simple way of writing the code instead of using if else statement separately. So conditional expression evaluates an expression based on the condition. Conditional expression are in a completely different style. The syntax is expression 1 if Boolean expression, else expression 2. So expression 1 if Boolean is true, otherwise the result is the expression 2. Okay, so given two number 1, number 2, save the larger into a variable called max. So if number 1 is greater than number 2, the maximum number will be number 1, or else the maximum number will be number 2. So the first condition will be max equal to number 1 if number 1 is greater than number 2, else it will be considered as number 2. Okay, next example 2, given a variable number, display the message number is even if the number is even, otherwise display number is odd. Okay, if it is divisible by 2 and it's a 0, it's an even number, or else it's an odd number. So it's a very simple condition. Okay, you can write this code into a single conditional expression, print number, comma, is even if number divisible by 2, or else it's a odd number. Suppose you have, okay, let's go with some test, exercise. Suppose that when you run the following program, you enter the input 236 from the console, what is the output? So when you enter numbers 236, print sorted if x less than y and y is less than z, else not sorted. So the output is sorted. Okay, it's a sorted order. It also equivalent to enter number, give the condition, print sorted, or else not sorted. Rewrite the following statement to conditional expression if, okay, the ticket price is equal to 20 if ages is greater than or equal to 16, or else we just print the ticket price as 10. Okay, again write the conditional expressions. So the print count, comma, n equal to next line if the count is divisible by 10 is equal to 0, or else just print the space. Okay, now we got conditional expression, we change to if else statement. So this will be your first condition output, which is score 3 times scale if x greater than 10, else score is equal to 4 times scale. Same goes for this example. Okay, next one. Okay, rewrite the following condition. If number divisible by 3 is equal to 0 or else j. So if number divisible by 3, it's print AI or else print j. So the conditional expression is converted to normal uh, if else statement. Operator precedence in associativity. Let's see. Chapter 2 introduced operator precedence involved arithmetic operators, right? We have power symbol, time symbol, multiplication or division has the higher precedence than the positive and negative values. Positive addition and subtraction minus. But what about expression with other expressions, other operators? For example, 3 plus 4 times 3, 4. So in this case, what is the value? What is the execution of order of the above example? We need to know the precedence rule for this. Okay, last time we learned about like Buddha Bachetol, as I always mention to you guys, or the BODMAS, right? So similar to the precedence here, operators precedence. So this one is the operator precedence. We have exponentiation, plus minus, uh, manipulation, division, integration, reminder. Okay, so we'll continue with the next one, associativity. If the operator with the same precedence and the next to each other, the associativity determines the order of evaluation. All binary operators except assignment operators are left associative. For example, a minus b plus c minus d is equivalent to, and you write in bracket a minus b first, then plus with c, and then minus d. Assignment operators are right associative, so your right side should be here right, here left. So a equal to b, b equal to b plus c is equal to 5. So c equal to 5, b equal to b plus 5. List the precedence order of the Boolean operators. The decreasing order of precedence order of the Boolean operators are not first, uh, and then so the last one will be all operators. Okay, so this will be the end of the lecture for chapter 3 selections. So hope you guys hope these lecture videos will be very helpful for you guys to do revision and do the exercises. Uh, that's all for today. Before end the session, there are self-learning part that you need to learn from here. Okay, there are some case studies provided as an example of Python code. So I want you to do or go through this self-learning leftover slides. Okay, so thank you, class.